Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech PC, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use ultrasonic sensor with the help of arduino. So to use this we need some requirements. That is, first very important requirement is arduino. Without that we can't make it. So, and the second requirement is the ultrasonic sensor. Third requirement is some jumper wires. Fourth is we need a one breadboard. So let's make it.
O instinto selvagem que invade a sensação de perigo nos define. Fica um frio na barriga, tudo isso me lembra a cena de um filme. O instinto selvagem que invade a sensação de perigo nos define.
To make that, first we need one ultrasonic sensor. You can see it's a 4-pin. Maybe you can see here. You can see? Yeah, you can see. See. These are the pins: eco pin, the ground pin, and the trigger pin, and VCC. So okay, and now let's first we easily strap on this into that. Okay, we connect this like this. Okay, now I've connected here, so you can see here the four pin. So first, this is a sign of green wire. We connect the green wire to the ground. The green wire part is a part of ground. Okay. I have connected, and the red wire. I have connected the red wire. Okay. So let's connect it. The red wire connect to the VCC. Okay. The red wire, I am connecting the red wire to the VCC. VCC is at last of the, you can say VCC is on the starting of the ultrasonic sensor pins, and the orange wire goes to the, I have connected the orange wire to the, okay, the red wire, I am connecting the red wire to the VCC. VCC is at last of the, you can say VCC is on the starting of the ultrasonic sensor pins, and the orange wire goes to the, I've connected the orange wire to the ground node, not ground, I've connected the trigger pin. Okay, I'm connecting the orange wire to the trigger pin, and the yellow wire connected to the eco pin. Now it's connected. Now let's connect it to the ground. Okay, Arduino. I've already told you that the green wire goes to the ground. I'm connected to the ground. Okay, and the red symbol is for 5 volt. It goes for VCC. Okay, and the eco pin you can, okay, I have connected the eco pin to the pin number 10. Okay, yeah, we can say I'm connecting the pin number to the pin number 2. Okay, I have connected the yellow pin to the eco pin to the 2 number, and the trigger pin to the pin number 3. Now I am proving to prove that this program is working. I am taking one LED and connected to the third pin number 13 and the ground. Okay, now let's come to the coding part. Okay, let's go. So to make that, first we define some variable, some pins. That first pin is the first we define the LED. Okay, so define LED, you know already. You can, if you see my previous video, I have told that how to define it. We define like this. Okay, we define like this. Define this is a case sensitive. I've already told you that if the like this, if I write the D, capital D, then it will not work. It will not work. If I write the small d, then it will work. Okay, now I'm giving the name LED, variable name, that is 13 pin number. I have already joined the pin LED with 13 number. You know, and now make the another. Okay, so to make the another variable, we have different method like this. Into the variable is the echo pin. Echo, I write only echo is equals to 1 echo pin. I have connected the echo pin to the pin number 2, you already know, and the semicolon, and the second is the into trigger. Trigger equals to 3, you know. Now let's come to the coding. Okay, so in the void loop section, void loop setup, we define here the pin mode. You know already, I think you know already. Okay, so pin mode, or maybe you know the spelling of pin mode. Okay, now pin mode, the number is the LED. LED is what? LED is output. Maybe you know the output. If you don't see my previous video, then first see this, that, and then come. Okay, okay, the next pin mode is the pin mode. Now I have defined the 2 pin, echo pin and trigger pin. Now I will tell you that there is a 2 pins of ultrasonic sensor. Wait, I am telling on the I will tell on the whiteboard. Okay, there is. Now see, this is ultrasonic sensor. Let's suppose this is ultrasonic sensor. It's have two circles. You know already. Here, let's suppose there is the object. Okay. Okay, now let's see. It's a trigger. One is trigger and one is echo pin and trigger pin. You know already. I've show you in the ultrasonic sensor. So the trigger pin. This is trigger pin. It's through the rays in the front. Then this echo pin. It's a receiving pin. Then it's reflected and then come and it's receive it. Okay, that's why it's on the basis of this is working. This is the input and this is the output. Let's suppose if we throw the rays on front and object is here. If object is not there, then it's again and again go. Okay, if the object there, then it's reflected and come here. It's okay. So this is it's working on this. Okay, now we trigger pin is output. We hide that and then we check the input. we check the echo pin, which if there is any input, then the means the rays will come. Okay. We write pin mode. Sorry. It's a echo pin, not a time for writing echo pin. Echo pin input, just input. Okay, so first we need some variable to do this. Okay, let's suppose I will tell you later. So we create a variable, two variable. First is the int, that is distance, duration, sorry. Wait a minute. We write here duration, sorry, distance. We write here distance, and the semicolon, and the second variable is long. We write as long, duration, okay, and the semicolon. Now let's come to the loop section. We write here like that. First we hide the trigger pin. Now let's come to the logic. So the logic is that suppose this is ultrasonic sensor and there is an object. There is a trigger pin and there is an echo pin. If we hide this, it's through the races at front, then the front, and then below this here it's receivers. After some time, we covered the time into duration. Store the time in duration. Okay, then we load this up for few seconds, and then we hide this. Then we see here's any input array. If there, then how much time? After how much time? Then we check the distance. To check the distance, the formula is distance is equals to duration, time into speed. Okay, so the speed of the rays is so basic speed, that is 0.0 4. So we write here 4. This is the normal speed. The speed is this. Okay, and this is speed. Okay, to cover this distance we and by upon 2. What is covered through time? First this is that's here. Okay, one time, and then again reflected and again come. Second time, it's covered same distance 2 times. That's why we divide it. Then we get to 1. Okay, the time will cover in duration. We check duration. I will tell you how to check the duration. How to check the duration, yeah. And now let's come to the coding. Okay, here we write the first we digital write here digital write. There's a spelling mistake. Okay, digital write. Now we hide trigger pin. Trigger high. If you don't know what is high and low, then you can see my previous video. I will give the link of that video in description. You can see there from there. It's a blinking that video is on light and on of the light. Okay, so please like that video and also like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's come. Then we delay. If you want to make more sensitive, so then right here less digit. If you not want more sensitive, it's normal, then you can write more digit. Okay, the spelling is wrong, delay. The right spelling is this. Okay, now now we'll know that. Sorry, first we'll load this. Okay, then we delay for more than this value. Like if you write here 1, you can write here 10 or other. Okay, then again load this. Copy and paste it here. Okay, now let's check it the e-copy. You receive any message or not. So to check this, we write here duration that I've already made it. Use here that variable that I make here. See this one. Okay, now we write here duration, that is pulse in. It's a variable, it's a keyword. Pulse in. Okay, it's a variable. So pulse in help us to check it every pulse if anything is not happening or not. So we checked it, echo pin high. Here we write high. Okay, now let's check the distance. To check the distance, I have already tell you the formula. That's the distance is equals to, tell me, what's the, is time. Time is duration. What's the time? Time is duration into, what's the speed of wave? 0.34, and we divide it with 2. I already tell you why we divide it. Okay, now let's come to the if statement. Now we write here if the distance is equals to, let's suppose 10, then we write here 10 or 10 less than 10. This is the sign. If 10 is greater than distance, means distance is less than this, then what's happening? What will do? Here write digital, write LED is high, or else, you know what is why we use else statement. If you learn any other programming language, then you know that the else and the if statement. If is the condition statement. It's a keyword used for condition. Let's suppose if distance is less than 10 or 10, then what's happening? The LED This is pin number 13 LED is glow. Okay, on. Else or not, this is meant if this is meant, this statement is wrong, then do this statement. What's happened here? LED. Oh, sorry. Copy this. But we write here low. Okay, we low this. Okay, now let's check this. This is right or wrong. First we save this. Okay, first the thing wrong is that trigger has not detected. What's happened? Let's check it. The problem is this. We write here, not here consist. We write consist must. Then it's wrong, like me. Okay. Now let's check it. Now the next problem again is this. Now just check it. Again this loud, let's check again. I've already told you this is the case sensitive or the spelling not there is a spelling mistake, that's why. Now let's run again. Next is no, there is no any other problem. Let's see this is working or not. Okay, the guy, sorry guys, this is the main problem. We don't hide the delay, that's why it's not working. Now let's check it, it's work or not. Now let's come to the phone and let's see it's working or not. Guys, you can see there is this is LED. Now it's blinking when any object come across the 10 centimeter. It's very sensitive. See guys. Good. So you can use this as much. You can use it at high level concepts like robots, cars, and etc. So thank you for watching. Please like this video and the link in the description to see blinking video, and please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.